Is your database-driven software crashing because of the Sqlite3.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we walk through the SQLite3 troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This DLL file is the runtime for the SQLite Database Engine. It provides applications with a lightweight, disk-based relational database that doesn't require a separate server, used for local data storage on PC. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This issue indicates a structural problem within your database-driven software's installation. Reinstall the latest version of your database-driven software from the official site to restore the Sqlite3.dll safely and ensure all registry links are updated. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the SQLite3 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the Sqlite3.dll, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the SQLite3. If you've regained access to the SQLite3 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.